Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to sign up in Ring app or create an account in Ring app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open the Ring app from your home screen, and once you tap it open, you will end up in this page where all you need to do is simply tap on create account. Once you do this, type in your last name and first name and hit the continue button and select a country where you are from, and then you need to type in your email address and retype it and hit the continue button. Now type in your password for your account and confirm your password and tap on create account. After this is done, you will get a mail on your email address, so simply tap it on and tap on the verify now option. Once you do this, you will end up in an external link where all you need to do is simply tap on the login button. Once you do though, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply type in your email address and hit the continue button, and then type in your password for your account and hit the login button. After this is done, you can be signed up in your Ring account, or you can have your account created in Ring. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.